Hi everyone. What you're seeing in the background is a complete 3D scan we did for a massive 10,000 square foot commercial space. At Synthesis VDC, we use this technology to capture every single detail of a room perfectly to scale, and we do it in a fraction of the time it takes to measure by hand. If you're in architecture, engineers, you already know the struggle of making as-built drawings. Sending a team out with tape measures takes hours. Worse, if someone misses just one critical dimension, you have to drive all the way back to the site. A 3D scan fixes this completely by giving you a perfect digital twin of the space to work with from day one. But this isn't just for construction. Wedding and event designers benefit hugely from this, too. Normally, they have to manually measure a huge venue, then spend hours rebuilding it from scratch in SketchUp or 3ds Max before they can even start designing. Because event planners work on incredibly tight deadlines, a 3D scan is a game changer. It skips that entire manual modeling phase. We hand you the exact venue geometry, so you can start designing immediately. This technology is also highly valuable in other fields. In forensics, investigators use it to freeze a complicated scene in time forever. We also use it on job sites to scan large piles of dirt or materials, which lets us quickly calculate the exact stockpile volume. Ultimately, if your work relies on knowing the exact layout of a physical space, doing it by hand is just slowing you down. 3D scanning is fast, highly accurate, and lets you focus on your actual job instead of measuring walls. As demonstrated here, I have directly imported the point cloud file into AutoCAD. Although this scan data can be utilized in various software applications, AutoCAD is undoubtedly one of the most prevalent tools in the industry. Allow me to illustrate how this point cloud integrates into a typical workflow. Within AutoCAD, we can effortlessly create sections of the scan and trace over them, as you can observe now. We have the flexibility to slice the point cloud in any desired direction, be it vertically or horizontally. Subsequently, you can draft your 2D drawings directly on top of it to obtain the precise information you require. As you can observe, I have imported the point cloud file directly into AutoCAD. While this scan data can be utilized in numerous software applications, AutoCAD is clearly one of the most commonly used tools in the industry. Let me demonstrate how this point cloud fits into a standard workflow. Right here in AutoCAD, we can conveniently cut sections of the scan and trace over them as you are currently witnessing. We have the capability to slice the point cloud in any direction we choose, whether vertically or horizontally. After that, you can draft your 2D drawings directly on top of it to extract the specific information you need. For this specific site, my walking trajectory covered a distance of about 1,000 meters, which took me around 28 minutes. I purposely kept my average walking speed under 1 meter per second. Walking at this steady pace is important because it helps the SLAM technology track a highly precise path and prevents the point cloud file from drifting. I haven't even used ground control points or GNSS for this scan yet. As you can see, the results are already sharp and crisp. When it came to processing the data, it took about 7 hours to export the colorized point cloud using the Copri software. If you include the initial setup and trial time, the entire process from finishing the scan to extracting the raw point cloud took around 10 hours. To be fair, this took longer than usual, mostly because I wasn't using a high-end, high-spec PC to do the heavy lifting. If you want to check out this point cloud for yourself, I have actually uploaded it to a web-based viewer. Because it is hosted in the cloud, you don't need to download any heavy software. I can just send you the link and you can easily explore the 3D scan at your own convenience, whether you're on your phone, a tablet, or your desktop. If you believe that 3D scanning could enhance your workflow, don't hesitate to contact me directly via phone or email. Although we are based in Chennai, we offer our services across India. We provide 3 primary packages based on your project requirements. Option 1, the raw 3D scan. just as you see it here. Option 2, the 3D scan along with 2D AutoCAD floor plans. Option 3, the comprehensive package, which includes the 3D scan, the 2D drawings, and a complete 3D model of the entire area.